Hi, friends. So I wanted to go through your math test with you really quickly so that I could show you how this online test is going to work and some of the tools that you're going to need to use while you're taking it. So I went on my It's Learning page and I'm logged in as if I were you, as if I were a student. So you can find this under resources for second grade Unit 10 test. So this is the first page. Watch this video. It has some directions in there, and then you're going to click Start Test. And when you start the test, it'll take you to the first question. And as you can see right here, there's only 6 questions. So this is pretty short. So it gives you a graph and it asks you, is this a pictograph or a bar graph? And you're going to type your answer right here. You're going to click Next. Number 2, it has that exact same chart. And then this is a multiplication question. So you're just going to click on the dot that you think the correct answer is. Question 3, it still has to do with this graph, so make sure that you're paying attention to the pictures. Then right here, it says how many books were sold on Monday, and you're going to type your answer here again. Now, where it gets a little different that I wanted to make sure that you guys understood was when you get to question 4, it has a graph right here about a class picking their favorite colors. And it says create a bar graph on paper using the favorite color data. After you have done this, create a video response. In the video, show us your graph. Tell us about your graph and why you made it the way that you did. So what you're going to do down here is where you're going to put your answer. And there is a little camera button right here. And if you hover your mouse over it, it says new video recording. And what you're going to do is you're going to press that. And then this message is most likely going to pop up and it says, are we able to use your microphone and your camera? You're going to hit allow. And then after you hit allow, a screen will pop up. It might take my computer a little bit because I have some things open. But when you do this, you're going to be able to see your face on here. I can't actually do it because I have my camera on another video, but you'll be able to see your face and then you're going to hit the little record button. And after you do that, after you hit the record button, tell us about your graph. Show it to us, hold it up just like this, just like if I were to hold up a piece of paper. Like if I were to hold up a piece of notebook paper, hold it up like that, and then tell us about your graph. Tell us why you made it the way that you did. Okay, so you don't have to type anything on here because you're going to make your graph on paper and then you're going to make a video recording telling us about it. Number 5 is a typed response again. It says type 3 questions that could be asked about the favorite colors graph that you created. Be sure to write these questions on a piece of paper too, because you will need them on your next question. So you're going to type those 3 questions right here, but I also want you to write them down because this next question says, create a video telling me the answers to the 3 questions that you created. So I don't want to make you go back and forth. So instead, write down those 3 questions on paper so that you can do a video recording, tell us what your question is, and then tell us how you answered it. And then when you're done, you're going to hit complete test, and then it will turn it in for you, and it will tell us that you finished it. During the test, if you have any questions or you're confused about something, just message me or Mr. Bray in It's Learning, and we will help you.